All right, so we got this problem. Check it out. It's the white Rodgers thermostat. Not reading anything. So I'm thinking the batteries are dead. Now the way I get it off is I just come up here, I'm gonna pull it, it's gonna pop. But you gotta try not to, you wanna pull it out of its thing. So once I get it up here, I kind of push down and there we go, got it off. So that pulled off. So let's see how it goes on there. If you look, you see those little nodules there? There's a nodule there. But if you look here, you see this thing here and this thing here. So it sets right on there. And this looks like it's holding the motherboard in, right? So if we look at this, we got there and there. It also has the model and all that stuff on it. And then down here, this just kind of snips in there. So here, look, see there? So there's that little thing there that hooks on it and that and there. It's not really a good design because you got to really pull on it to get it to come off. You know, and it just kind of pops on there. Look, my finger here, see how it catches? See up here how it catches? And the same thing here. So this is kind of screwy. I don't think it's a good design at all. But anyway, so now what we got to do is we got to pull those two batteries out of there and replace it with, I'm going to set this on the floor. And so we got to replace it with a couple of these rail vacs that I bought. Okay, I'm going to hold that there. All right, so anyway, see there's this little tab right here. This allows you to kind of like pull them out. But you got to look and make sure you got them in there the right way. So I'm going to pop this out, and you can see this battery is corroded, right? So we know that we got a problem right there. Look at that. So see that? You can see the corrosion on it. Look at that battery's was ready to explode. And it was in like this, I guess. So the lucky thing is that it tells you how to put the batteries in. So we can throw these in the garbage. And then all we have to do is just look at this and it shows you which way they're supposed to go. I gotta put my glasses on. All right, so if I look, it's showing me the negative end here, positive end's there, but this has got some corrosion on it, so I'm gonna scrape that stuff off of there. All right, so I wanna kind of get that off of there. You wanna wear some glasses when you do this so that you don't, get it in your face. Make sure there's no corrosion on this side. So this is pretty clean now, and I think I can get the battery in there. You can see the corrosion on this side, but I still think we've got a good contact on it. Let's see if we can get it off. All right, let's go ahead and put it together and we'll see if it works. Here's your negative side, right? Here's your positive side. Negative side goes against this spring, and we want to get this pushed in there, but we want to have it so that we can do it like that. And oh, by the way, these are, what are they? They're AA batteries. These are AA batteries. So I push it in, bam. Now I'm going to take this one and smush it in. See, like that? I don't know if that's not good because it's, shoot. This thing here is screwing up the battery. Hang on. I got to get the battery out of there. So we got to let's put this one in first. This way we push it against that. So that's a bad way to do it. And now I can just smush this against this and then get that contact on there. Bam, there we go. And so now we're looking pretty good. Oh, look, bam, it came on. So that was definitely our problem, right? It's telling all that stuff. And so now we got to put that plate back on. So here's our plate, and here's all these little buttons that push against these things here. So we want to get this thing on there correctly. And so we're going to come in there. I think I'm going to go, should I go top down? I'm going to go bottom first and then top. Now, so I've got it set on there, right? And I know the bottom's set on there. And let me show you so you can see. So the bottom I got on there pretty good, but the top I still got to snap it, right? So all I'm going to do is just give it a push, and it snaps right on. Bam. And bam, Bob's your uncle. You're ready to go. Now you can do everything that you need to do. And I think that's going to work. All right, so we're at 78. Let's go down. Let's drop that thing. It's 83 up here. It's killing me. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff like this. Peace out.